Today, let's fold an airplane. This kind of paper airplane is the butterfly style because it has flat and big wings. This is one I've already made. Let's start with a piece of paper. The paper should have some strength, like a piece of print paper is good enough. All right, when you get your paper, first step is to fold along the long edge in half. Make sure the corners are matched. When you match the corner, you flatten the middle. It's important to flatten all the foldings. That will make our airplane beautiful. All right, after you fold it, you open it. Now you can see a nice straight middle line. That's our guideline for the airplane. Next step is you observe two half shorter edges. Firstly, we fold one of this corner along this short edge to the center line, like this. You get a triangle this way. Flatten the edge. You do the same to the other corner. Fold it up along this line, align with the center line. You fold this triangle. All right, now you get a nice little tip here. Next step, let's observe what we have here. After we fold both triangles, now you have actually a horizontal line here. Now, let's fold along this line, as close as possible. Make sure the tip is aligned with the center line. Then you flatten the bottom a little bit. Now, if you open it, you can see there is a line. The next step is we fold again along this line, but a little bit up, like a fingernail width. So we fold against this line. Well, it's invisible, but it's parallel to what you've already folded. So we make it upper a little bit, like this, and flatten it. Now you can see the first line is the line we already folded. So we make it up a little bit, so we have a little bit width here, like a fingernail length. Make sure the tip is still aligned with your center line. Okay, now we get this. Still, we have two edges here. First, we fold this half edge along the center line. This is a little bit tricky because now I have two layers. So make sure you fold both layers at the same time. You flatten the edge. Make sure the bottom and the tip are aligned with your center line. Now you do the same to the other half. And fold it up. Okay. Now again, you have a horizontal line and a little tip here. This tip, we can fold it down like this. Make sure the tip is aligned with the center line so the tip can hold those two triangles. All right, flatten the tip. After you get the tip, look at this. We fold outwards. It's against what we did. Fold outward along the center line like this. Okay, I'll do it again. So you are flat with your airplane and you fold outward. So the center is going up like this. Okay, now you have a half airplane. The last step is to get the wings. Look at the tip. You have a little edge here. We want to fold against the line straight and parallel to the center line. The width is at the edge. So this little corner is the width we want to fold the airplane. So if I draw a line here, it's like this. Now we fold this way and flatten it. So we get a one wing It's a beautiful wing. It's flat and big. Then we flip the whole airplane and make the other wing. Make sure the wings have the same width. They should be symmetric because all the airplanes have symmetric wings. That way the airplane is going to be stable. Make sure you flatten it. It's a little bit hard because it's thick. Okay, after you flatten both wings, let's spread the wings a little bit. Now you have a butterfly airplane. It flies like this.